I'm Johnny Funk.
I'm Falcon McDoulet, and I'm in the Precision Machining Technologies. I heard about the program through sophomore tours. We came and we toured the school, and I got to pick a couple different programs to go check out in depth. It's a practical skill that you can use just about anywhere. You can always find a job, and it's fun.
So far, I have successfully completed the manual lathe, manual mill, and almost completed the manual CNC.
I like being able to work out in the shop. It's very hands-on. The teacher is helpful. Everyone here is just like a family. They treat you awesome.
Canadian Valley in a whole is just like another house. My program is just like another set of a family.
Pick a program, make sure it's something you want, and when you show up on that first day, don't just bring paper and a pencil, bring your work ethic.